Hi friends, I am Anjali from Door to Care. Today we are talking about diabetes mellitus. Today we have Ali sir who is diabetes educator and he is going to tell you about diabetes mellitus.
Hey guys, let's talk about the sulfonylureas. Sulfonylureas is a very important part of diabetes medication. So generally there are medicines in this category like gliclazide or glimepiride or glipizide. But earlier there were some medications like acetohexamide, tolbutamide, chlorpropamide which are not used today. Uh, these medicines work on pancreas. If we talk about the effectiveness, these are given 3 stars. And if we talk about the mode of consumption, these are oral medication. If we talk about the hypoglycemia, so they do not uh, uh, if we talk about the hypoglycemia, they can cause hypoglycemia because they generally work in the same way as insulin does. So hypoglycemia is very common with such medication. If we talk about the weight, so they cause mild weight gain because they work in the same pathophysiology as the insulin does. So weight gain is commonly seen with insulin. So sulfonylureas also cause some mild weight gain. If we talk about the effect on kidneys, so they are safe, but just because they are a risk factor for hypoglycemia, so these renal patients should take these medicines in the supervision of a healthcare professional. If we talk about the heart, so they are safe for heart patients. If we talk about the monthly cost of this therapy, so generally rupees 100 to 1000 is approx the monthly cost of this therapy. If we talk about the side effects, so first side effect, as you know, is hypoglycemia. If we talk about any other side effects, so in elderly patients we will have to be very careful because they can cause low blood sugars. So in the patients with compromised renal functions or cardiac functions, we will have to be very careful with such kind of medication.